Lots of our members get turned down by high street banks, whether it be for a low credit score, for complex incomes. We want to make sure that they know that there's a bank out there that's not always going to say no to them. Smart Money Cymru wants to be on the high street, accessible, whether it be through digital or in branch. We want to have time to treat our members fairly, to go through their circumstances. And you're not just a credit score that walks through the door. We're definitely focused on communities owning their own financial services. We want to get out into the communities and give them an opportunity to build a financial hub. Is something that we're priding ourselves on, that we're not going away from the high street, we're actually going into communities where there's no banking services at all. With membership, you vote on how different aspects of the community bank works. It's giving that ownership back to the people living in the communities.